What's up, bitches? So the first thing that everybody does when they wake up is smoke weed. Me too.
What's up?
The three things in a woman's purse: lighter, and I never have a lighter, lip gloss, and a weapon, like
Accent packs out.
a gun. Need the gun.
We on my time, little nigga.
So why the fuck did y'all put Cardi over Nicki? 60-40%. Now tune into the screenshot. I screenshotted on Facebook. I have no problem with the guy. I'm just saying. Like, what the fuck?
Stuck, hoes.
61% cheated in a relationship and 39% hasn't cheated. That 39% is a fucking lie. Stop the fucking capping.
That dirty little dick.
Now, this is one thing I can agree on. Toxic relationships, they said 50% women and 50% men. And like 600 people voted. So, I agree. Okay, so for Facebook pet peeves, we got number one answers. We're complaining on every post, faking on the media, which y'all know what faking on the media is. Also, people said posting your business, but mad when someone state their opinion. Now, you can do whatever you want to. You can post your business on Facebook. But when I motherfucking post it on my YouTube and post my opinion, don't get mad. Motherfuckers is also tired of y'all asking questions y'all can Google. Don't say, what time did the jail open? What time McDonald's stopped serving breakfast? Are the roads clear? Most importantly, I'm putting this up here for me. I don't like Facebook jail. Why I can't see the P word? I did a poll to see if it mattered to a man or women how many kids someone has. 33% said it does matter. And 67% said it don't. And to them 33%, fuck y'all. Because I got 2 kids. Fuck y'all. I also did a poll on stripper moms.
It's J Mert.
Stripper moms.
And they got me talking about
58% said it's fine. 42% said no. We can strip if we want to.
know how I'm rocking. Call him.
Here come my son. I'm using this green screen today because my fabric, I ain't feel like putting it up. I locked this door. Who is it? What's up? You trying to play your game? You haven't been playing your game all morning. Hold on, I'm recording my video. I need to show y'all a little small snippet from my ballin' ass kid.
Shoot it, shoot it.
Woo! 6 points he scored, that is. The game's only 45 minutes. And then real quick, because everybody's always asking me all late and shit. Soccer is coming for the YMCA. Registration is now, all the way to March 26th. And the season starts March 29th to May 15th. So, don't ask me all late. You seen it here first.
Got me drooling off the gas.
Tune in to me eating Shardae's fucking shortcake tacos. Smack. Mm-hmm. That's the one. Ooh. want to know why y'all take care of kids that don't belong to you, but don't take care of the ones that do belong to you. We want to know. Me. Vejah. Now, why I heard my baby daddy was putting somebody's daughter on the bus every morning? That bitch need to step her motherfucking game up and message like, I want me to take care of his kids. No message yet. Y'all deadbeat mamas is just as bad as y'all deadbeat baby daddies. Just ugly. Answer the question. At this point, 6ix9ine is just doing too much. Like, it's time to get the drill for him. What is you doing? What is you doing? Why do you got this man on your t-shirt? Out of all the t-shirts, you got $1 million chain on with a grown man on your t-shirt. I think you clout chasing. My son done broke in with the key. Carter, what's up? Carter.
What?
What's up?
Why you want me in the door?
Told you what's up. Bad bitch, get
I wanted to show you this picture I got from Asia Brown. She also did my cartoon character, but this was fly as fuck. My room is all pink, so I just had to get this in the corner somewhere, but it's Michelle Obama, and she's from Lynchburg. You have to get it. It was only like $20.
fuck. See me count these bucks.
Okay, so a restaurant in Lynchburg I never ate at before that I ate at last night, Smack, was Clubhouse. Look what they had.
Cash, goddamn, bad bitch, fat ass. And I keep a little stash. Got me drooling off the gas. Pressure.
Let me get out my son's room. I'll see y'all next week.